Class 9th, chapter 1st, chapter name number system. First we explain about the number system. How many types of number and what is the symbol of number and which number is called the given number. First we write numbers. Numbers. There are two types of number. First type number is called real number. Real numbers. And second type number is called imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. First we explain imaginary number because it have no any part. Imaginary numbers means numbers which have negative roots number. Negative roots number. Negative roots numbers. Negative roots numbers. Like this minus root 3, minus root 4, minus root 5. In this type number is called imaginary number, and we study of this type number in class intermediate. But in this type number we learn in our earlier class like 6, 7, 8 and 9. Real number means number, and by the symbol we see that the real number that can be represented on the number line. Numbers can be represented on the number line. Number that can be represented on the number line, this type number is called real number, and number that cannot be represented on the number line, that is called imaginary number. Numbers that cannot be represented on number line, number line. The number that can be represented on the number line, that is called real number, and number that cannot be represented on the number line, that is called imaginary number. As a symbol we write, this is number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, and we cannot represent imaginary number on the number line. For the real number we make a number line and we write this is 1, this is 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and we represent a real number on the number line. There are two types of real number. There are two types of real numbers. First is called rational number. Rational numbers. And second is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. First is called rational numbers and second is called irrational number. Rational numbers that can be written in the form of P upon Q. Numbers that can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. Where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. Irrational numbers, numbers that cannot be represented on the number line. Numbers that cannot be represented on the number line. On the number line. Cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q. Represented in the form of P upon Q. In the form of P upon Q. All positive root number is called irrational number, like root 3, root 2, root 5, root 6. This type number is called irrational number. Rational number have 5 parts. Rational number have 5 parts. In our real classes, we learn about this part. First is called integers. First is called integers. Integers. Second is called natural number. Natural number. Third is called whole number. Fourth is called decimal number. Decimals. And fifth is called fractions. Decimal and fraction. Integer minus infinity to plus infinity, this is called like 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot plus infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dot 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 minus infinity is called integers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 infinity, which called natural number. This number is called counting number. And whole number, number with natural number with 0 is called whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot infinity. Decimal number, numbers with divided by 10, that is decimal number. 0.1, 0.5, 0.7. And fraction, fraction is equal part of whole. Fraction is the equal part of whole, means 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, dot dot. This part is called fraction. The numbers, there are two types, real number and imaginary numbers. Real numbers have two types, rational number and irrational number. Rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q, and Q does not equal to 0. Irrational numbers that cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, and positive root number is called rational. Irrational number. Rational number have 5 parts. Integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. This is called integer. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Infinity, that is called natural number. Whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinity, whole number. Decimal 0.1, 0.5, 0.7, that is called decimal. And fraction 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, dot dot infinity. This is called fractions. And this part is called negative integer. Negative integer means minus. This is called zero integers, and this is called positive integers. Positive integers means z plus. This is called positive integers. Means natural number is also called positive integers. Exercise 1.1 NCERT class 10th. Question given that is 0 a rational. Exercise 1.1 question number 1 class 9th NCERT book. Given that is 0 a rational number, can you write it in the form of P upon Q where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0? So we write yes, because we write 0 in the form of P upon Q. P upon Q form means 0 is equal to 0 upon 1 equal to 0 upon 2 0 upon 3 dot 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 dot. Because the definition of rational number that can be written in the form of P upon Q, Q does not equal to 0, P may be 0. Question number second. Find the sixth rational number between 3 and 4. Find the sixth rational number between 3 and 4. We write numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So this means 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 1. We find 6 rational number, so we multiply numerator and denominator by 7. 6 plus 1 by 7. So you write here 3 into 7 upon 1 into 7 and 4 into 7 upon 1 into 7. After multiplication we find 7 3 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. The 6 rational number, 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is equal to 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. Question number 3 asked find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. First we write 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Find 5 rational number. We multiply 5 plus 1, 6 in numerator and denominator. We multiply 3 into 6 upon 5 and 4 into 6 upon 5. So we find here 6 3 ja 18 upon 6 5 ja 30 and 6 4 ja 24 upon 6 3 ja 6 5. Sorry, this is 5. 6 5 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30. Find 5 rational number between 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 each are 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Question number 4. State where the following statement true or false. Give the reason for your answer. Give the reason for your answer. First, question number 4 given. State where the following statement are true or false. Give the reason for your answer. Question number first. every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. The natural number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 infinity, and whole number is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means every natural number in a whole number, therefore every natural number is whole number. Yes, this is true. This is true because every natural number is a whole number. This is first part. Second part given. Second part, every integer is a whole number. First we write integer. We represent integer by z, and integer is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 dot 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 minus infinity. And whole number is equal to w. We represent whole number by w, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 infinity. Whole number in integer, but all integer not in a whole number. Therefore, this statement is false. This statement is false. Negative number not in whole number. Negative numbers not in whole number. Not in whole number. Negative number not in a whole number. And here we write also all natural number in whole number. All natural number in whole number. All natural number in a whole number. Question number third part of this. Every rational number is a whole number. The rational number that can be written in the form of q upon q, p upon q, and rational number we represent r. Rational number we represent q. Q is called rational number, and rational number written 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0.2, 0.3, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3. In all this type number is called rational number. And whole number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 infinity. This is also false because fraction, decimal, and negative number not in whole number. Fraction, decimal, and negative numbers not in whole numbers. Whole numbers. This is exercise 1.1. All question completed. And after this, we read about the irrational numbers.